So here's what we're getting into today. The Mother's All-in-One Leather Care cleans, conditions, and protects. And right over here, I have my stool that was made by Spotlight Customs here in Akron using leftover leather from my Impala seat. And as you can see, I've been not too kind on it recently. Let's see how nice we can make this look. All right, it's consistency. It's kind of thick. Comes out kind of like that. Kind of doesn't even run off. Runs a little bit, but let's give this a go. The rag test here. As you can see, we are a little shiny, but you know, there's not many leather cleaners, conditioners that don't end up shiny. I've never treated this thing, so it should suck it right in there and absorb it. So, but obviously it took off all the grease, all the dirt, all that. One thing to note, it did not fill in the perforated holes with goop and make it all nasty and stuff, which is always a worry. And it is starting to, you can see it's starting to dry a little bit. So let's let it sit and I'll come back here in a few minutes. About 15 minutes later, angle it here, show you some different lighting. I mean, not greasy, looks fine. I mean, it's definitely going to absorb a little more. You can see the side, that's still wet almost, but I think that'll get soaked in. But the top, what I did last, is already kind of soaked it in. So good stuff. Check that out. The Mother's All-in-One Leather Care, quick and easy, and will save you time. And not too bad. My garage is a mess, and this was just something I go, you know what? I'm going to clean the stool and get back to cleaning the garage. But definitely a nice product. Check them out. I'll put a link below if you're interested. Mother's All-in-One Leather Care. Thanks for watching. See you next time.